Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about how to avoid this hack in Roblox Fisch to prevent data wiping. Now if you're playing Fisch, you need to hear this. This is a serious issue causing players to lose all their hard-earned progress. Yes, data wipes. Your items, currency, everything gone. Now a lot of people are calling this a hack, but it looks more like the main culprit is actually bugs and glitches within the game itself. The game's data saving might not be so reliable, and let's be real, losing all your progress is super frustrating. So here are a few steps for an action plan. Number 1, be cautious. For now, don't invest tons of time or Robux into Fisch until the game developers fix this mess. Number 2, stay informed. Follow the game's official social media and Discord channels for updates. They'll announce when fixes are rolling out. And number 3, report any data loss. If you've been hit, tell the developers through their official channels. The more reports they receive, the faster they will address the problem. And number 4, protect your Roblox account. This is a standard practice, but never give out your password or personal information. So we know you love Roblox, but data wipes are a major bummer. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk and help the Fisch community get back on track. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.